Anyone who keeps learning stays young, says Henry Ford. A very good evening to all of you. I am Mamta Deshwal, Librarian DPS Greater Faridabad, a proud member of SLA and moderator of today's webinar. I welcome you all on 15th webinar of Tech Tool series. SLA is a professional development and learning platform for school librarians. On behalf of SLA, I am privileged to welcome Ms. Madhu Bhargav, President SLA, Mr. SL Faisal, General Secretary SLA, and all the technical and coordinating team working behind, and to all my dear participants connected around the web. There are some housekeeping instructions, please follow. Keep your microphone on mute to avoid noise interruptions. Don't present your screen during the session. There will be a question and answer round at the end of the webinar, and this is a hands-on workshop, so you can keep you can write your answers on the chat window also. There will be a feedback form. Link for the same will be shared in the chat window towards the end of the webinar. E-certificates will be generated only after filling the feedback form. The entire session is being recorded. The recording will be uploaded on the official website of SLA. Respect each other, and for communication, use chat window only. This workshop is supposed to be around 2 hours. I welcome you all in this webinar on the topic WordPress. The topic is very relevant during this global pandemic. It will help you to become a skilled librarian, which is the need of the hour in present pandemic scenario. The workshop aims at introducing the concept of a blog and how we can create a library blog using WordPress, an open source blogging platform. The demonstration includes setting up, navigating around the admin panel, customizing the look and feel, creating posts around pages, adding and deleting content, connecting and growing up. To discuss in detail about WordPress, we have with us Mr. SL Faisal. Let me give opportunity to honor and introduce Mr. SL Faisal. Mr. Faisal has been working as librarian with Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan since 2003. He launched one of the first school library blog in India in 2007 in WordPress platform and extensively used Web 2.0 tools in teaching and learning. Library Junction, homeworks, assignments online, e-magazine, face a book challenge, gift a book camp, get a friend, info break, and Little Open Library are some of his novel initiatives. He has also been honored with National ICT Award in 2017, NCRT and KVS Innovation and Experimentation Award in 2011 and 16 respectively. A number of ICT initiatives carried out by Mr. Faisal have been replicated by KV and a large number of other schools around the country. With this note, now I invite Mr. Faisal to take up the session.
Thank you, Mamta. Good evening, everyone. Dear SLA members, I am indeed privileged to be here on this platform again. This is the 15th webinar of SLA India. I am indebted to SLA India for this wonderful opportunity. Today, we are having a session on WordPress. As you know that WordPress is a wonderful content management system and blogging platform. First of all, we will learn something about what is a blog and what are the main features of a blog. Then we will have the main session of this program, that is the hands-on session. So just before that, I would like to tell everyone that because we are doing a workshop, it's a hands-on type of workshop. So you have to keep the tab open, the Gmeet tab open to listen what I am saying. Okay. If you are having your mobile with you, please log in with your mobile and keep the tab open. Okay, you can work on your desktop or laptop. And if you are using the laptop or desktop, the same way, you can simultaneously open two tabs where in one tab you can open the Meet and another tab you can work on WordPress. Okay, for that you have to just wear something. Okay, Otherwise, you can listen the audio from the system itself. So first of all, I would like to share my screen, okay, to understand the concept of blog and blogging. I hope everyone can see this.
Yes.
Yeah. One second. Yes. So as you know that the topic is the creating a library blog on WordPress. Okay, so what is a blog and what is WordPress and everything we will discuss. So basically, as you know that a blog is just like a website. Okay, many of us are already aware with the websites which are available on the web. Okay, a lot of millions of websites are available. A blog is also a website. Okay, it is also known as a weblog, which is like a diary or journal. The basic difference from a website, okay, is that the blog serves as a diary or a journal. Okay, diary, as you know that in a diary, what we are doing, we are just adding the content in a chronological way. The same way on a blog also we are adding the content. The content may be a post or maybe a page. Basically, as you know that posts are dynamic. We will discuss these dynamic and static things in the coming this session. Okay. So anyway, blog is also known as a weblog, which is a website that is like a diary or journal. Okay. As you know that on a blog, you can see the latest post, okay, which is coming on the top, just like the things are appearing on a diary or a journal. So
I can't see your PPT.
can't see.
No, cannot.
Faisal not see.
Even we cannot see.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, now it will come. Okay, what about now?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So here you can see what is a blog. Okay, so just before these two slides, I started with this slide. Okay, here you can see what is a blog. A blog is also known as a weblog, which is a website that is like a diary or journal. Okay, so the concept of diary and journal you know already. So it is just like blog is also like a diary or a journal where the latest post will appear on the top of the blog, top of the website. So when we expand this definition, you can see a blog is a regularly updated website or web page, typically one run by an individual or a small group that is written in an informal or conversational style. That's a typical definition which I have taken from the lexico.com website. Okay, it is a regularly updated one. You can see that the blue inked words here. That is, first one is the regularly updated. That is a key word combination that's regularly updated. It's very much important for a blog. And second one, you can see individual or small group. It's run by or managed by a single individual or a small group of people. Okay, it can be in the library perspective. You can say that a librarian or a group of librarians can together manage a blog. And the third concept is that written in an informal or conversational style. There is no rigidity when you're writing a blog. Anyway, we are using it for a formal purpose to create a library. But the basic, when you take the basic meaning of a blog, these actually the blogs were conceived to write informal things. Okay, just like anybody can create a blog and post their own informal conversations, communications, or stories or whatever. That is, you can see this is a broader definition of a blog. So there are some key concepts regarding a blog. You can see that the first one is purpose. Okay. Blogs are mainly used for personal publishing. Okay, different people use blogs in different way. For example, some people, they will use it for promotion, and some for managing content, and some for collaboration learning. In a library perspective, you can see that blogs can be used as a library promotion tool, okay, to market our products and services. And we can use a blog to manage our content also. For example, we can add content on a blog, for example, study materials, question papers, or whatever things that we have been creating, which can be posted on a blog. In that way, we can manage the content. Then collaboration and learning. Told you that we can invite others to collaborate on a blog. Okay, so you can invite your children, you can invite other teachers, okay, to contribute, and you can invite them as an editor, as an author. Okay, just like in a collaborative way, you can use a blog for collaborative learning also. Okay, then authorship. The basic concept of authorship regarding a blog is it's a single author or group of authors. So it means that you can create your own blog. Okay, you can join somebody else's blog, and you can invite somebody else to your blog to contribute. So another concept regarding this content, the frequent updates. Okay, if there is no frequent updation of a blog, the blog doesn't exist. First of all, understand that if you have been creating a blog, okay, during this workshop, and you are keeping it idle for some time, it means that you have not created a blog. A blog means that you have to update it regularly. Okay, then the things will appear on reverse chronological order, as I told you that about the diary concept. Okay, the things or the post will appear in a reverse chronological order on a blog. And third one, any media. It means that you can add any media on a blog. It can be a PPT, it can be a PDF file, it can be a video, audio, or whatever. A lot of options are available on a blog. Then connections. So as you know that a lot of websites nowadays, they are inviting comments from the users or visitors. Earlier it was not such. Okay, many of our websites were static. Only one-way communication was happening there, and you have to only visit that website to see things, and you can just watch what is there. Okay, but nowadays a lot of things, everything is going social, and you can comment on the content available there. So blog is the basic thing, or the basic website where which used the social media concepts. Okay, it started in 2003, as you know that. Okay, from that year onwards, they have been using these concept. That is, anybody can comment on any content on a blog. Okay, you can moderate it anyway. Then sharing, you can share the content from a blog to other blogs or other websites or other social media elements. Okay, then followers. Okay, you can create your own followers on your blog. Okay, anybody can follow your blog by using some tips. They can follow your blogs. So using these concepts, you can build links with other people. Links with, for example, if you are creating a library, you can create links or build links with the users of your library, whether it may be teachers, it may be students. Then these things are about the concept of blog and blogging. Okay, the process of process of writing a blog is known as blogging, and the people, those who are using or creating or adding content on a blog, are known as bloggers. Okay, so what is WordPress? So as you know that WordPress, a lot of open source content management systems are available, and WordPress is the leader of that open source movement. Okay, it's an open source content management system, CMS, which allows the users to build dynamic websites and blogs. So don't think that this WordPress is only used for creating blogs. A lot of websites, millions of websites on the web, they have been using this WordPress CMS or content management system to create their own blogs. Okay, so this is a chronology. You can see that 2003, Matt Mullenberg and Mike Little, they created the WordPress platform, and in 2009 it became an open source platform. Okay. So under that, you can, on the left side, you can see the logo of WordPress and the website, basic website, wordpress.com, and when you search Google, you can find out wordpress.org also. Okay, wordpress.com is basically for blogging, and wordpress.org is for the content management, in the sense that if you want to create a website, okay, by paying something or creating or having a separate domain, you have to use that wordpress.org. The content management system is same, but a little bit small differences are there. In that case, when you are down, you have to host your website, okay, on a hosting platform, and you have to purchase a domain name. Then you have to download the WordPress CMS from wordpress.org, which can be installed in your system or the server, and later you can run your own separate website. Okay, for creating website, you can use wordpress.org platform. For creating blogs, you can use wordpress.com. So here you can see the basic structure of a blog. Okay, this is the basic structure. You can see on the top, you can see header. Okay, on the header, you will get a menu or navigation bar. Menu is nothing, just like whenever you are visiting a website, you can see on the top there is a bar. Okay, the main pages will appear on that bar, which is known as the menu or navigation bar. And when you go down, you can find out the main content area. Okay, main content area is nothing. On this area, the pages and posts will appear. Okay, on the right side, you can see a sidebar. It can be on the left side, it can be on the right side, it can be on the top or bottom, whatever. A lot of options are available with a lot of templates. Okay, so here I am just showing the basic structure of a blog. Top header, then main content, then on the right side there is a sidebar. Okay, sidebar. This sidebar will consist a lot of widgets. Widgets are nothing, a piece of programmed the HTML code. Okay, by using that code, you can install some plugins. Okay, just like I will show you how it can be done. Okay, so here on the sidebar, you can have social profiles, favorite content, or call to action. A lot of widgets are available. When you go down, you can see the footer. Okay, normally when you visit a website, you can see on the footer side, on the bottom part, you can see the contact details and some other links, etc., main links, etc., the institutional links. A lot of things will appear there. Okay, disclaimer, etc., etc. So you can see this is the basic concept or basic structure of a blog or a WordPress blog: header, main content, sidebar, and footer. Understand this concept in a better way. Okay. Then now we have to land upon the demo session. But anyway, just before that, I would like to take you to another slide, that is creating a library blog on WordPress. As all of you know that I have sent a content creation tool to all the registered participants. I hope all of you have filled that form. Okay, filled in the sense that filled with the content, okay, which will make our session very easy and useful. Here, the first one, when you plan for a blog, basically, as you know that a lot of people, nowadays they want to create a blog. Earlier it was not so much interested, but nowadays there is no other option but to create some online platform to deliver your resources and services. And blog is one of the best options available. And when you want to create a blog for your library, first thing you have to do is that you have to plan. Okay, very good plan should be there. And in the planning module, you can include this one. First one, purpose and target group. You have to identify for what purpose you are creating a blog. Okay, so you have to identify for what type of library you are creating a blog and the nature of users. For example, I have given one example. So for example, now we are going to create a blog for a school library, and the type, it can be a CBSE school, international schools, or a state school. Then the nature of users, that is class 1 to 12 students. Okay, these basic 3 things we should keep in our mind when we are creating or we are going to create a blog, because these things will identify what will be the content of a blog, okay, what will be the template or the design of a blog, and how we will update the blog. Okay, then second thing is about design. Design consists of the structure of a template. Template means nothing, it's a basic model where you are putting the content. Okay, template, as I told you that there's a structure. I told you about a header, then main content area, then sidebar and the footer. So that is the structure of a template. Okay, then color schemes. Okay, normally a lot of school library blogs, you can see a lot of colors are there on the blog. For example, if you are creating a blog for small children, for primary children, you can include multiple colors. Okay, you can include, you can use different colors for different fonts, etc. But in the case of a senior school library, it is better to have stick on with some formal colors, which will be okay for the eyes of the students. Okay. So just like you can have different column structures, it can be a 2-column, 3-column, single column, etc. Okay. Then the third point is regarding the content. When we think about the content, in the case of blogs, you can have two types of contents. Okay. The first one is static content, which in other term we can term as a page. Then the second content thing is dynamic. Okay. The pages are static, whereas posts are dynamic. Okay, what will be the static content when you create a school library blog? Just like static in the sense that we are not going to change these contents every day. We are not going to change these content every week. Okay, for example, there can be a home page for your library. There can be a resource page in your library. There can be a services page for your library. There can be a contact page. These 4 main pages. Just like you can include library statistics, okay, library rules, okay, these are all static pages, okay, static content. So to put the static content, we are creating pages, remember that. Okay, if you want to create static content, which static content in the sense that you are not going to change it every day. Okay, if you want to keep these content for some time or for a longer period, you can create a page. And if you want to create dynamic content, which will be every day or every week or every name, as per a periodicity you are just adding or updating, for that type of content you can use post. Posts are coming under different categories, as you know that. Okay, so for example, we are having a category called new arrivals. Okay, so every week or every month we are just adding a post in the category new arrivals. It means that, for example, today is December 26th, we are adding a new arrival post. Okay, so after 1 week we are again adding a new arrival post for us on 26th December. Today we are adding, but after 1 week we are adding us on 5th January another post. So these posts are coming under different categories. It means that these posts are dynamic. Okay, we are changing it based on a periodic thing. Okay, then you can have displays and exhibitions. Normally in our libraries we are regularly conducting displays and exhibitions, so you can create a different category for that. Then you can have a different category for events in the sense that if you are having National Library Week or International School Library Month or whatever things, you can create events. Okay, a category with the name events. Then competitions. Normally we are conducting a lot of competitions in the library, so you can have a different category competitions. And downloads in the sense that we have to deliver the resources to the users, and for that normally what we are doing on a blog, if we are having exclusive content which are created from our own school, you can upload it, okay, in the download section as a post. But if you are having links from other websites, for example from CBSE or NCERT, etc., you can deep link that links on a page, and which can be under a category downloads. I will show you how it can be done. Okay, then book reviews. For example, your children are writing book reviews every day, means every week, or you are getting book reviews 2 or 3 in a week. You can create a separate folder, book reviews. Okay, and these book reviews you are updating as post, and these posts will come under classified or categorized under a separate category, book reviews. It means that when somebody visits your blog, they will find out on the sidebar these categories. Okay, when you click on that category, new arrivals, he will find out all the posts which you have posted under the category new arrivals. Got it? Just like that, book reviews, all book reviews you have posted under the category book reviews, which will come together. It is just like whenever you are using DDC classification or any library classification. So we are organizing the content. We are organizing all book reviews together under the class number or the class under the class book reviews. It can be termed as a category. Got it? So then the next point is regarding sustainability. Okay, how you are updating your blog, how you are managing the users in the sense that who is the admin, or who is the editor, who is a contributor, who if you are inviting somebody to contribute or edit the content of your blog, these are all coming under user management and evaluation that you have to do. Okay, in a monthly or a quarterly manner, you have to evaluate the content of your blog, whether the links are working or not, etc., etc., that you have to do. Okay, so this is the plan that we need before creating a blog. Okay, so now we are going to this main part of this workshop, that is creating a blog using WordPress. So first thing we will do is we will register and configure the basic settings. Then we will navigate the admin panel, and then we will go to customize the look and feel. That is means using the templates, etc., widgets, etc. Okay, then we will learn about how to publish things, pages, posts, etc. Then we will learn about how we can connect with other social media channels or social media handles. Then how we can grow up your blog. In between, I will just test this. For example, after going the navigation admin panel, we will create pages and posts. Then we will customize the look and feel, because it will make your process easy. Okay, because a lot of people, they are stumble upon with a lot of technical things when they are using WordPress, but I'm just making it a little bit easy by just intertwining a lot of things together. Okay, I will show you how it will work. Okay, so I'm stopping it now, the presentation. Okay, I think you got an idea about this blogging process now and how you have to plan for the blogging. Now I would like to go to the hands-on session. Okay, so I told you that you have to create an email account. If you are having already an email account, that email account you can use for the creation of a blog. And if you want to create a separate email ID, that also you could have done. Okay, an email ID is required to create a WordPress account. Okay, we are not going to create an account for our library. We will create an account. Okay, account for us on WordPress. Remember that. Okay, now we are going to create an account on WordPress. Am I okay? Shall we move? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So in between, if you have any query, just post it in the chat box. Dr. Sarvesh is there, Darshana is there, and a lot of people are there. Those who are familiar with WordPress, they will answer your queries. In between, whenever I am getting time, in between I will answer also. Okay, but don't hesitate to put your questions. Just put in the chat room. Okay. Then now I am just sharing my screen. Okay, the first thing you have to do is that you have to just open your email account. Just open a tab, then open your email account, email inbox, and keep it ready. I hope you are following me.
Yes.
Okay, first open a tab, then go to your inbox. If you have already created a WordPress account using the existing Gmail, okay, then you can keep it as it is. There is no need to create a separate Gmail. And if you want to create a separate email account for WordPress, you can create its own. I think you have already created some email IDs. Okay, so just to keep, just open a tab and keep open your email inbox, because there will be a mail from WordPress that you have to accept for registration. Okay, so after that, I will share the screen. Can you see this?
Visible.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Here, so you can see the blog URL is, what is it? WordPress.com. Okay, WordPress.com is the means the URL of the site. On the top, you can see a lot of means WordPress. 1 minute. Okay, just simply type WordPress.com. Okay, then you will land upon this page. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, on this page you can see can you see this? When you click on WordPress.com, you will get this page. Are you getting it?
Visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Okay, fine. Just listen what I'm doing. Okay, then do it accordingly. The first we are going to create an account. Okay, on WordPress. So on the top you can see a lot of details are available: products, features, resources, plans, and pricing, etc. Actually, we are using the free plan of WordPress. There are a lot of paid pricing details are also available. You can, if you are interested, and if your institute is paying money for having a domain and a separate server, etc., then you can take a different plan. Okay, now what we are going to do is that you can see that on the top right you can see login, and another tab is that get started, and when you go to the middle of this page you can see start your website. Got it? Okay, just click on start your website. Are you getting this page? So start your website. Okay, here you can see let's get started. Under that you can see first create your WordPress.com account. Okay, on the top right you can see step 1 of 3. There are 3 steps for creating an account with WordPress. Here the first step, you can see first you have to enter your email address. I told you to have an email ID. Just enter the email address. I am just adding my email address here. Okay, then you have to choose an username. This username is for your WordPress account. Remember that. Got it? First, you have to enter an email address, then choose a username. So it can be anything. Okay, I'm just adding. So just like this, you can add your own username. It can be your name, your personal name, or your whatever. Okay, your library's name, etc. Then after that, you just add a password there. Okay. Okay, you have to add a password. It's at least 8 digits, 8 numbers or digits or whatever will be there. Okay, you can add caps, you can add small letters, you can add symbols, whatever, digits, etc. Okay. So first what we have done, we have added one email ID, then we have selected one username, then a password. Okay. After adding the password, when you go down, you can find out another options available there. For example, if you're using a Gmail, and if you want that Gmail account to be default to create an account on WordPress, that also you can use by using this option, continue with Google. Okay, if you are using an Apple ID, then that also you can use to create, okay, a WordPress account here. Got it? So we have added 3 things: a email ID, a username, then password. Okay, I'm just adding it again. Okay, I have added a password also. Okay, Then after that, just click on create your account. Create your account. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir. Getting this page.
Yeah. If you're getting any issue, just put it in the chat box. Okay. Hope everyone has reached at this point. Okay, what we have done, we have added an email account, then a username, then a password. Okay, then here you can see that type the domain you want here. Type the domain means I told you to write down your library's proposed domain. For example, just like this. Can you see this? Here I have just added New Light School Library. Okay, New Light School Library. Got it? It is better to add the word library whenever you are creating your URL. Are you getting my point? So it will be easy easy for people to search out your website or blog. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, I have just added New Light School Library here. There is a word library in the URL itself. Okay, and this is my proposed URL. Okay, for my library blog. Then I have to find out whether it is available or not. For that, you have to go down. Okay, go down. Then you can see a lot of things available here. If you want to pay something, if you have enough money, you can have different options here. For example, you can see newlightschoollibrary.wordpress.com, which is a free domain, which is available. Then another one is newlightschoollibrary.education, and you have to pay 1,260 rupees per year for this domain. Okay, you can ask your administrators if they are paying for your domain, then you can opt another options which are available. Okay, a lot of things, a lot of domains are available, but now we are going to use the free domain only. Are you getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Have
Yes,
you-
sir. Yes, sir.
yeah,
Yes, sir. Yes.
yeah. Okay, so what we had done after when we reach the step 2,
Yes, sir,
we
but
have
it is getting with some number.
pardon.
It is getting with some number. For example, Library KV Malappuram, when I type Library KV Malappuram, it is getting like that is 21653, like that with
No,
the
it is. I think it's
WordPress.com.
already you have taken that domain. Then it will not appear again.
Then I
Okay,
want to
you can try with
create a separate one.
another URL. You can try with another URL. Okay. So normally, if you couldn't create a WordPress blog so far, there is no issue. You will get this domain. Okay, just like I got this one. Okay. Here, what we have done is we have just written down the URL, proposed URL. Then we are going down. Okay. On the first option, newlightschoollibrary.wordpress.com, you can see the free option here. Then select. Okay, just click on select. Now we are reaching the step 3 of 3. Got it? Okay, so here you have to pick a plan that's right for you. You have to choose a plan. Okay, here when you go down, you can see e-commerce, business, premium, personal. All these are paid plans. Got it? All these are paid plans. For this, for example, e-commerce, you have to pay 1,152 rupees per month. 640 rupees, premium 280, then personal 160. Got it? So these 4 options are available, but we are not going to take that 4 options. Okay, for the time being, we are going to start with a free site. Are you getting my point?
Perfect, sir.
Yeah, here you can see one option, start with a free site. Okay, on the top, just under this pick a plan that's right for you, that sentence, you can see choose a plan, upgrade as you grow. Under that, you can see not sure yet, then start with a free site. This is step 3 of 3. Got it? So just click on start with a free site. Okay, here is one come back. You can see that here it is already written, sorry, that site already exists. Got it? So just like if you are getting this type of messages, you have to try again. I think some of you have used this New Light School Library. Okay, don't just copy as it is. Are you getting my point? So
Yes,
friends,
yes, sir. Yes,
yeah,
yes.
Yes, sir. I am getting your point.
yeah, I think that one of you have used a
Someone
new,
cheat.
yeah, New Lights.
Someone cheating.
Yeah,
Someone
not cheating. They have unintentionally used this is the
Imitating.
same thing. So I am not getting this one.
copy pastes.
Okay, I am just changing it to here. You can see New Light School Library blog. Okay, I am just checking whether it is available or not. Here you can see New Light School Library blog.wordpress.com, which is available. Got it? So I am just selecting it again. Okay, yes, you got it. So here you can see a message, your site has been created. Got it?
Perfect, sir.
Okay, then you can
Got
see,
it.
yeah, on the right side, you can see some other things. The first one is site setup, site created, name your site, update your homepage, confirm your email address, create a site menu, launch your site, get the WordPress app, etc., etc. Okay, so I think almost all of you could reach up to this point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubts
Yes,
for
sir.
this registration process, please tell me. Yeah.
Perfect.
If you are getting any confusion regarding this, what we have done, we have just we want to create a blog on WordPress. Okay, for that we visited the website wordpress.com. Okay, there what we have done, we just click on get started or they create a new website. Then they asked for our email ID, then username, then password. After clicking that one, there is a domain field will appear. You have to enter the proposed domain. If the domain is available, you have to select that domain. Then you have to choose the free option. Then you will land upon this page. Got it? So these we have completed 3 steps for the registration of or the signing up of WordPress account. Okay. The next thing we have to do is that we have to confirm our email address. Okay. For that, we have to go back to your email inbox, whether a message has reached in your inbox from WordPress. See this one? Are you getting this page? Yes or no? Yeah, here you can see a mail from WordPress that's reached in my inbox. Very good. Here you can
we received the mail.
Yeah, very good. So here you can see this WordPress.com activate SLA WP 2020. That was my username. Got it? So when you click on that, just like this, you might have got this email from WordPress. Here you can see welcome to WordPress.com. Please click the button below to confirm your email address and activate your account. Are you getting? So what you have to do is that you have to just click here to confirm now. Just click on that. Click here to confirm now. Here you can see on the top right, you can see email confirmed. Have you got this message?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So we have reached this point, whether means that we have created an account, okay, for us or for our library on WordPress.com website. Now we are having, or it means that you have created an account on WordPress. It means that it is your personal WordPress account. Got it? So under this account, you can create a number of blogs. For example, if you want to create a blog for your library, if you want to create an e-magazine for your library, if you want to create some other portal for your career guidance, a different blog, and another one for your providing homeworks and assignments. Okay, a number of blocks can be created under this account. Okay, there is no need to create a different account to create a new blog. So this is your basic account, got it, that you have created using your email ID, and using this email you can create a number of blogs under this. That I will tell you how you can create a new blog, etc, etc. Got it? I hope almost all of you got reached this point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Sarveji, if you are getting any query, please respond also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, any particular doubt regarding, then you can direct to me also, because just tell me that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So friends, we have reached this point. Now then what we are going to do is that the first thing, as I told in the presentation, that first we have to sign up or register the account. Then we have to configure the basic settings. Configure the basic settings of our account. Are you getting my point? Configure the basic settings. Okay, to get that point, on the top left here you can see this is my site. This is the when you enter into the WordPress blogging platform, you will get this page what you are watching now. Okay, on the top left you can see a lot of things available there: statistics, plan, site, jetpack, design, tools, manage, WP admin or WordPress admin, etc. Okay, here you can see a tab manage. Are you getting manage? Okay, just to click on that arrow, manage. Under that you can find out hosting configuration, domains, people, and settings. Are you getting it? Under manage you can find out settings option. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. Just in between, just respond to me also. Okay. Fine. Okay, under manage you are getting settings. Okay, just click on settings. Just click on settings. Okay, then you will get this page. Somebody's mic is on. Is muted. Okay, fine. So when you click on settings, you are getting this page. Okay. Here you can see 4 options available. First one is general, second one is performance, third one writing, then fourth one discussion. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir, we are.
Fine, great. So here on the first thing, site profile. Okay, we are going to create our library blog. Remember that. Here you can see site icon where you can add the icon of your library. Got it? This is the first blog we are creating under our account. Okay, within our account we are going to create a blog for our library. You can create another blog for your career guidance cell also. Got it? So this blog is particularly for this library. So here you have to set the site icon from this option. Okay, see this one, the first option, site icon. I am just going to change the site icon because I have already kept one icon in a folder on my desktop. Okay, for that just click on change. Okay, then here you can see 4 options: all, image, document, videos, audio, etc. On the top right, can you see this one? 0% of 3 GB used. Got it? In between I am saying you, we are having a maximum space limit of 3 GB. Remember, it is very much okay for a school library because 3 GB, we are not going to complete it by 10 years. Okay, 3 GB. Okay, 3 GB space is available. And here you can see all image, documents, videos, audio, etc. Now we are going to add an image that is an icon of our library. Got it? Then click on add new. Just click on add new. When you click on add new, you will be taken to your desktop or wherever. Here you can see that on my desktop I have added some images, etc. for this workshop. Here one icon, I am just taking an icon of my library. Select that one, then click open. Okay. Select that icon from your folder, then click OK. See this one, this icon is coming over here. Got it? Are you getting?
Perfect, sir. Perfect.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Perfect.
Then click on that, select that by just put a tick mark. It's already tick marked. Okay. Then continue. Click on continue. Then it will come over here. Then if you want to crop it, you can do it. Otherwise, just leave it as it is. Then you can also flip. You can flip that. Okay. Then you can rotate if you want. Then say done. Done. So your logo is updated or it's added. New logo is added. Got it? Next one, what we are going to do is we are going to give a title of our library. For example, I am just adding the title of my library will be New Light School Library. Got it? This is the title of my library. Then if you want to add a tagline, it's just like a subheading. I'm just simply adding read and grow. Okay, read and grow. That is the site tagline. Got it? The site title I have added New Light School Library. Then site tagline read and grow. Then under that you can see New Light School Library blog.wordpress.com. That is the URL of my library blog. Are you getting? So whenever you want to share the URL of your library blog, you have to share this one. Got it? So this URL you have to note down, okay, and you have to share with your school administration to add this URL on their website, school website, as your library's blog. Got it? So this is the URL, site address.
Excuse me, sir. Can
Yes.
you repeat, please?
Which one?
How to send it to the school management if you want to send?
Yeah, after creating the blog, you can send this URL only. That is the New Light School Library blog or whatever. Okay, .wordpress.com. That is the site URL only. Okay, that you have to send to your school management. It is related, means it depends on your school management whether they want to post your library link on their website or not. That you have to insist that I'm saying. Okay, it depends on you. Then, yes.
You say.
Okay. Then you go down, then site title we have added, site tagline. When you go down, you can see the site address that we have discussed. Then here you can see language. Okay, its default language is given as English UK. Okay, no issue. We can just leave it as it is. Then site time zone, it is given as Kolkata, that is Indian time zone. If you want a different time zone, that also you can select. And just leaving it as it is, that is Kolkata. Then here you can see, after that you can see launch site. Your site has not been launched yet. It is hidden from visitors behind a coming soon notice until it is launched. Okay, when you go down, I would like to show you some other things. Just to keep it as it is. And when you go down, okay, footer credit, you can customize your website by changing the footer credit in customizer. Okay, then some other tools are available here. Site tools, change your site address. Okay, for example, if you want to change the URL of your site after some time, you can use this option. Okay, the next one is delete your content. If you want to delete the entire content of your site,
Sir, in my language block, nothing is showing.
Language, it is there. Yeah, when you click on, you can find out a lot of languages available. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Here you can English, lot of languages are available. If you're using English, then you can select that. Okay, then time zone. And after that, here 3 other options are available, which I am just saying to get an idea about. Okay, change your site address. If you want to change your site address in future, you can use this option. And if you want to delete the entire content of your website while keeping the site address, you can use this option. delete your site permanently. And if you want to delete the entire site permanently, you can use this option. And after that, we are just moving up and we are going to launch site. Got it? So what we have done, we have come to the manage section on the left sidebar, then clicked on settings. Here we got general performance writing discussion. In the general settings, we have just changed the site icon. We have given one site title and site tagline, then the language we have set, then time zone we set, then we are now going to launch the site. Here the option is available, launch site. Okay.
Save settings also, yes, sir.
Okay. Here you can see, just like you are getting to this one already on a domain news library. Here you can see, if you want to purchase, in between they are asking whether if you want to purchase some domain name, etc. Here also they are just putting their thing, okay, to give an idea about their purchase options, but we are not going to purchase anything. Okay, here you can see New Light School Library. The last point you can see New Light School Library blog.wordpress.com. This is your current free site address. We are going to skip the purchase option. Just click here. Okay, then you can see continue with your free site. Okay. Then here, the last option you can see, no thanks, I will stick with newlightschoollibrary.wordpress.com. Okay, here you can see actually these things are coming, these things are put by the WordPress, that environment, to make you aware that these options are available. And if you want to spend some money, they will give these facilities. But here you can see, no thanks, I will stick with New Light School Library blog.wordpress.com. Just click on that. Then your site will be launched. So we are coming back again. Got it? We have launched our site.
We want to click on skip purchase now.
Yes, skip purchase. There is no need to purchase anything.
Okay, thank you.
Just skip
Thank
that
you.
steps and just keep on, skip it, skip the steps and just take the free options only. Okay.
Select personal now.
Yeah. So have you
And
reached this
continue
point?
with your free.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Have you
Yes.
reached this?
Done, sir. Reached here, yeah.
Okay, fine. So this is the my site option. When you go to the on the top left, you can see my site. Okay, it is activated. Okay, you can see all these options available here on this my site. Now here you can see you have to go again to settings. Okay, we have to do some other settings here also. Okay, can you see this on the left side? Manage option is there. Okay, settings. Click on settings. On the right side, you can see general settings, performance, writing, and discussion. Now we are going to the third one only. Okay, third one and fourth one. That is writing. Click on writing. Here you can see categories because we have not created any categories. Okay, it's a default categories are set as uncategorized. Okay, it is the default category, it is there. So we have not added any tags. Okay, it is not given. Okay, when you go down, you can see date and time format. Date and time format. Here you can see 26th December 2020, 5:02 p.m. Week starts on Monday. If you want to change this, the option is available here. Okay, see this one, date and time format. On the right side, you will get an arrow mark, down arrow. Click on. Then you can, if you want to change, you can use this date format. For example, if you want to use this format, 26/12/2020, you can use this format. Then time format also you can change. It is 5:03 p.m. It's the current time. Okay. If you want to change, you can use other options available. Then week starts on Monday. Okay, because on WordPress, it's a default calendar is already set. Okay, on that calendar, the week starts on Monday. If you want to change that calendar, for example, in some schools, there may be the weekdays are different in some other countries. For example, it may be from Monday to Friday only. In some countries, it may be from Monday to Saturday. Okay, so in that case, you can see this when week starts on which day. Here it is default, it is given as Monday. Okay, so under that, and after doing this, you can save settings, click on save settings. Okay, then content type. Here you can see blog post display 10 per page. WordPress is asking to you whether how many posts you want to display on a single page. Got it? When a student visits your website or blog, okay, and when he or she click on a particular page, how many posts you want to show there? Okay, on a single page or single screen, how many posts you want to showcase? For example, I am just selecting here. You can see options available. I am just selecting 5 blog post. Got it? Blog post number of display of 5 posts per page. Okay, on blog pages, the number of posts show per page. WordPress is asking how many number of posts you want to display on a single page. I have just selected 5. Okay, there is no need to change anything else because it's a little bit advanced one. There is no need. Just for the time being, you just keep it. Otherwise, if you want in a later stage, you can explore all other things. I am just giving you an exact basic things only. Okay, blog post here display 5 only, and after that just click on save. Then you go down feed settings. There is no need to change anything. It's a display 10 feeds, etc., etc. Then this is a press this, that is a widget which is available. Okay, it is a bookmarklet. Okay, in an advanced stage you can use this press this option, which can be placed on your browser. Okay, when you explore these things, you will get an idea about this. Okay, other way, these 2 things only you have to change. The first one is the date format and time format if you want. Then how many blog posts you want to display. Okay, and after that, just click on save. Then it will be saved. Save settings. Then the next option is available here is discussion. I think you're following me or not?
Perfect, sir. Done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, then go to the second option. There's a 4th option, discussion. You're getting it? Discussion. Here, as I told you that WordPress is a social, means just like WordPress has integrated a lot of social media applications, social media elements or Web 2.0 integration, etc. A lot of things are available on WordPress. Here we have to just set, okay, we have to just say the conditions when we will get the message, when we will get a comment, when we will answer it, etc., etc. Here you can see that default article settings. See this one, first one, attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the article. Got it? This means that if you are publishing a book review written by your student, and if somebody else want to link that review on their website, at the same time you will get an email that this website or this person wants to link your particular this post on his or her website. Got it? So you will get a notification when somebody else, okay, outside your blog wants to link an article from your blog, okay, with their blog or website. You will get a notification. So you have to just allow it. Okay, then only you will get the idea. Okay, if somebody added or linked your website or blog, then here second option, allow link notifications from other blogs, is also known as pingbacks and trackbacks. Okay, if for example, if your friends who are working on other schools and they wanted to link your blog with their blog, okay, so if they are trying to link at the same time, you will get an email that this website, okay, wants to link this particular blog with their blog. Okay, that is known as pingbacks and trackbacks. Okay, you have to allow, then only your blog will prosper. It will reach a lot of people. Okay. So another option, allow people to post comments on new articles. If you are allowing it or not, that you have to set. If you don't like, you can change it. And if you want to put it, if you are allowing people to post comments on the new articles, you can do it here. Okay. Then the second option is comments. Okay. Comments although must fill out name and email. It means that if somebody wants to put a comment on a particular post on your blog, whether you are insisting that he or she should put his name and email there or not, that is a question. It means that your blog, when the blog is published or when a post is published on your blog, it will be public. Okay, people will see, people will read it, and after reading, if they want to comment on a particular post, okay, and at that time you are asking them, first you fill your name and email, then only you can comment. Okay, this is the option that you have to set if you want, just like that. Okay, if you are just clicking on it, it means that comment author must fill out name and email. Okay, second, you can see users must be registered and logged into the comment. Third one, automatically close comments on articles older than 14 days, etc. etc. Okay, so it means that people could not comment on your blog if you are not ready to add their name and email. If you are setting okay this option. Okay, I am not suggesting this one because many students may be there, those who like to be anonymous when they are posting their comments on anything. Okay, to allow them to comment on a particular post. Okay, comment moderation is available, remember that. After getting your comment, the comment section will show you whether the comment is there or not, and whether you want to moderate it, and whether you are allowing it or not, etc. etc. That I will show you how it will be. Okay, here for example, I am taking this option, comment author must fill out name and email. I am just deactivating that option. Okay, and after that you can save settings. Then when you go down, you can see email me whenever anyone post a comment. Okay, when somebody post a comment on your post a comment on your post or page, you will get an email. Then comment is held for moderation. A comment is held for moderation. Okay, the comment will be in your moderation panel. After reading that comment, if you want to publish it, then you can publish. Otherwise, you can just keep it as hold. Okay. Here you can see before comment appears, comments must be manually approved. Got it? For example, if you are just keeping it okay, it means that if somebody commented on your post or page, these comments will appear in your moderation panel. Okay. So you can go to that moderation panel and find out the comments there. And if you think that these comments are okay, then you can approve it. Then only it will published. It will be published on your blog. Got it? This is a wonderful tool. For example, in the case, yeah, because in school libraries, a lot of people will visit this library blogs. Okay, there may be outsiders also. If they are commenting on a particular post in a vulgar way or in a different way, okay, all these comments will come to your moderation panel, and with your approval only, these comments will be published on the blog. Okay, under that particular post or page. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so these are the options available here, and after doing this you have to just save settings. Okay, so what we have done, we went to my site. From there, manage, under that last option, settings. On the settings option we got general, performance, writing, discussion. Okay, on the general option we set our site icon, site title, tagline, etc. etc. Okay, here you can see title is, 1 minute. I couldn't save that one. Okay. So here you can see privacy settings here. Okay, coming soon, public, private. If you want to keep your website private, you can use this option, private. And if you want to keep it public, then you can select this option, public. Okay. So I'm just saving it because earlier I couldn't save that one. Okay, save settings. Here also you can save settings. Okay. Now you can see this option, general option. You can see the title, tagline, site icon. The performance settings, you can see this improve the loading speed of your site on phones and tablets. Here the option is available. You have to accelerate mobile pages because nowadays we have been using, lot of people, lot of students are using mobiles to access their website or blogs. You have to just set it on. Okay. You have to just set it on. It means that you can improve the loading speed of your site on phones and tablets. Okay. Then writing, the writing option, you have to just set the date and time format. Okay, the number of blog posts to be appeared. Then in the discussion option, you have to fix whether you need an email. Okay, and whether the comments should be manually approved or not, etc. So these are the settings available here in the settings option, which are coming under the manage option, manage settings. Got it? So any clarification regarding these points?
It's done, sir.
No, sir, done.
Anything? Any questions up to this point?
Miss Dimple Sandhu is asking about coming soon feature.
Coming soon feature is actually just for us, okay, because you can see here, I will show you general. When you go to general option, okay, coming soon, you can see your site is hidden from visitors behind a coming soon notice until it is ready for viewing. It means that if you have shared your blog URL, and if somebody put that blog URL and they are searching for that particular blog URL, okay, with that blog URL, there will be a banner. It will show that the site is hidden from visitors and it is coming soon. Got it? So it means that, for example, if now you are creating your blog and you are just keeping it as it in an experimental way, and you can just share the URL with your friends or teachers, but if they are visiting that blog, they will get a banner that the blog is coming soon. Got it? So the second option I have chosen, that is public. Your site is visible to everyone. Then private option is also there. Private option is only for admins. You can only see that one. Okay. Got it? And otherwise, otherwise the users must have a WordPress account. Then only they can see it. So these three options are available: coming soon, public, and private. My suggestion is that if you are doing it now, okay, if you are creating a blog for now and you are doing it in an experimental way, then you can keep it private for the time being and do all the work. Then you can make it public when it is ready. Then you can share the URL with your organization and you can share it with your friends and teachers or students. Got it? So these are the options available here. Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So,
So I hope that almost all of you could reach this point. Next one is we are going to just navigate the admin panel to understand what is there, because the admin panel is the basic dashboard where we have to work on. Okay. Here on the top left, you can see on the left sidebar, you can see a lot of things: site, design, tools, manage, etc., etc. When you go down, you can see WP admin. Are you getting WP admin? In the left bottom, you can see WP admin. Just to click on that.
yes, sir.
Click on that WP admin. Okay, you will land upon this beautiful dashboard. It's a very old dashboard. Okay, WordPress dashboard. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
From where we have taken from here. Okay. From the My Site option, when you click on My Site, you are just on the left side, you can see statistics, plan, site, jetpack, etc., etc. When you go down, you can see WP admin. When you click on WP admin, you will get this page. Hope all of you got this. Okay. On this page, you can
Yes,
find
sir,
out
we got
a lot of important information. Okay. About your activity, what you have done so far, what are the things you have added, etc., etc., statistics, and a lot of things will be available here. So we will go one by one. On the left side, you can see, okay, on the left side, you can see the first one is plans. Plans means the premium themes, and if you want to purchase a domain, etc., etc., you can use this option. Okay, on the top, you can see site stats. When you click on site stats is nothing, site statistics. Okay, here you can see nobody has visited your website so far, or your blog so far. Okay, when you click on site stats, you will get an idea how many people visited, how many hits you got, which was the best ever day, or which post or page got maximum number of hits, etc., etc. A lot of statistical information you will get from this stat page on the left side. Okay, under that site stats, you can find out my blogs. My blogs means how many, for example, you have created 3 or 4 blogs. Okay, all these blogs you can find out from this. For example, if you click on my blogs now, you will get a single blog here because we have just created a blog for our school library. Okay, here you can see the blog name, address is here, then primary. This is the primary blog, and our role, your role, what is your role as admin, and it is visible to everyone. Okay, statistics here you can see. Okay, so these are the options available. Okay, if you want to create another one, here also one option is given, that is on the top right. You can see register another blog. When you click on register another blog, you have to do the same process again from the URL part. Okay, you have to create a new URL for your, for example, if you want to create a blog for your career cell. Okay, just click on here, register another blog, then you will be given with the field box to put your URL. Okay, then you can say new light career cell, new light school career cell, wordpress.com, etc., etc. Then you can continue the same process and you can register another blog. Okay, then on the left, you can again, when you go down, you can see blogs I follow. As I told you that you can follow another blogs, another WordPress blogs, because so far we couldn't follow any other blog, so you will not get anything here. Then when you go down, you can see plans, plan, premium themes, my domains, manage purchase, etc., etc., because these are only for the premium purchase people. Okay, those who have purchased the domain, etc. There is no need to click on that. When you go down, you can see post. Okay, post means how many posts you have added so far. Okay, now we are going to create something new. Okay, for example, I told you to just write down the categories, etc., etc., in your that pre workshop content creation tool. Okay, here we will use that one. First of all, we will just go down. Here you can see post, and the 4 options are available: all post, add new, categories, tags. When you click on media, you will get library, add new. Add library in the sense that library of media. Okay, media library. Okay, then links, you can see all links, add new, link categories. The next one is pages, all pages, add new. Then comments,
Excuse me, please.
feedback, appearance, plugins, users, etc., etc. Then I will show you one by one how it will work. Okay. Here, first of all, we would like to create some categories. Okay. Somebody's mic is on. Please mute it.
Irfan Pathan. Please mute your mic.
Okay. So here you can see when you click on post, not click, just see on the post. On the right side, you can see all post, add new, categories, tags. Just click on categories. Okay. Before that, I would like to show how many posts are already there on your WordPress blog. Just click on add. Okay, just click on all post, you will get this page. Okay, here You can see 3 posts are there. First one is introduce yourself, example post. These 3 posts are actually a default post set by WordPress itself. Got it? But we don't need these posts. Now we are going to delete all these posts. Just select all these 3. Okay. Bulk actions, click on bulk actions. You will get bulk actions, edit, move to bin. Just click on the third option, move to bin. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
We are
Repeat.
going to clean
Yes,
up.
sir, I'm getting.
We are going to clean up the website because
Yeah.
the website, the blog is already having some post added by WordPress system. Okay, we don't need these posts. We are just going to delete all these posts. We are going to create a fresh post. Got it? For that purpose, we are just removing the post which is already added on WordPress. There are 3 posts available here. First 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 posts are there. I have selected all these 3 posts. Then I have chosen this bulk action option. From there, the third one, that is move to bin. Okay, and after that, just click on apply. Just click on apply. Okay, now you can see nothing is there. Now we are getting a fresh slate. Got it? We are going to create the content from the scratch itself. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now our blog is very much blank, nothing is there. We have removed the content which is already default means added by WordPress. Nothing is there on our blog. So after that, you can see the next option is add new, then categories, tags. Because to understand the concept in a better way, I am just going to select the third option, that is categories. Are you getting it? Categories. Just click on categories. Just click on categories. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here, what we are going to do, I told you that what are the things that we have to find out. Okay, in that email, I told you to add some content. What will be the categories, what are the posts, etc., etc. Here I am just adding, I am going to create some categories, new categories. Got it? For example, the first category, my category will be new arrivals. Here, add new category option is available. You have to just give the name, new arrivals. Got it? They are asking whether you want to make it a subcategory. Okay, if it is not a subcategory, you can keep as it is. Okay, otherwise you have to select a parent category which is already added there. Okay, this is the name new arrivals. This is the first category that we are going to create, name new arrivals. If you want to give to add a description of this category, then you can add here new books in the library. It's not mandatory. Okay. Okay, and after that, just click on the bottom option, that is add new category. Are you getting my point? On the right side, you can see
Yes,
the
sir.
first category is new arrivals. Got it? New arrivals.
Yes, got it.
Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Then the second category we are going to create is book reviews. Book reviews. Okay, book reviews. Okay, reviews, for example, you can say these reviews by students. These are not mandatory field, this description field. Okay, you can just enter the name only, book reviews, then add new category. Then you can see 2 categories we have added. The first one is new arrivals, second one is book reviews. Are you getting?
Yes.
Okay. For
Yes,
example,
sir.
yeah, and another one, if you want to add another category, downloads. because we want to put a lot of materials there which could be downloaded by the students. So downloads, that is another category. Okay, I am not adding any description there. Then click on add new category. So on the right side you can see new arrivals, book reviews, downloads. Okay, then some other categories you can add, that is displays and exhibitions, events, okay, readers club, etc., etc. This, as per your choice, you can add different categories there, because as I told you that these categories will consist post which are dynamic. Got it? So if you want to put some dynamic content, you have to first create the category. Then you can, just like you are creating a bin, you are creating a box, or you are creating a folder. Okay, in that folder you are just later you are just putting the materials there. Okay, whenever you want to publish new arrival list, for example, it may be every week or every quarterly, you can assign this particular category, okay, where you are just adding the new post. Got it? I will show you how it will work. Okay, so what we have done, we have created three categories: downloads, book reviews, new arrivals. For example, if you want to create a subcategory, how it can be? For example, I am just creating a resources. It is just an example, remember? Okay, this is a category resources. Okay, and if you want to add, for example, under resources, you want to add multimedia. Okay, under resources, you are going to add create a subcategory under resources. Okay, for that you have to just add a new category type name here. Then from here you have to select parent category. See this one, select resources. So resources will be the parent category and multimedia will be the subcategory. Got it? So after that, just click. Then how it will appear, you can see this is the parent category. This is, there is a hyphen. It means that this is a subcategory under resources. Got it? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so we have created four parent categories, that is new arrivals, book reviews, downloads, and resources. And under resources, we have created a subcategory multimedia. Got it? So it is as per your choice or as per your decision,
Yes,
you can
sir.
create as much number of categories. Got it? So now we are just leaving this section here. Now we are going to another point. Okay, pages. Okay, yeah, links. Okay, next one you can see that links. Are you getting links? Normally we want to show the children that these are the links available, these are the websites available, etc., etc., or how it can be added. Just like you are adding post under different categories, links can be added under different categories or different folders. For example, if you want to show the children that these are the links available, for example, for quick reference, you are just showing some links for quick reference category. Okay, under quick reference category, how it can be, or it can be, for example, open education resources. You are creating a separate category of links. Okay, under the main category, open education resources, how it will be, etc. That we will just learn now. For that, here you can see links. First you check all links. Okay, just click on all links. Here you can see a lot of links available here, which is actually these links are added by WordPress itself, and we don't need these links for our website. Now we are going to remove all these links. Got it? Just like we have done for the post, we are just removing all these links from our website. So for that we have to just select everything. Okay, just select, click here. Okay, then go to delete, then apply. Okay, then nothing will be there. So it means that there are no links available on our blog now. Nothing is there on our blog. Got it? Now we are going to create some link categories. Under the link categories, we will add new links. Got it? For example, just click on the third option, that is link categories. Just like we have created categories for post, here also you can create categories for your links. For example, I am just adding quick links. Quick links. So quick links means these are a set of links, just like your school website link. It can be a CBSE link, it can be NCRT links, or it can be some other website link, etc. So I am just adding the link category quick links. Okay. So you can add description links to okay. So this is not mandatory, that is the description part. Then click on add new link category. But okay, so you can see here is a blog role, just like in the case of a post, you can see uncategorized folder. Here is a blog role. It's a default category. There is no need to change anything. Okay. If you are not assigning a link a separate category, it will go under blog role. No need to change anything here. Then another option, for example, I'm just adding some reference links. Okay, reference. The second link category is reference. Okay, then third one, it can be some learning resources. So here you can see 3 link categories I have added. First one is quick links, second one reference, and third one learning resources. Are you getting my point?
Perfect, sir.
Okay, just to follow me how I am doing, because this will make you more perfect in the way that you can create your own library blog. And okay, here first we have done with the post. We have removed, we have just clicked on all posts and removed all the posts available. Then created some categories. Then we reached links section. Here first option is all links. We have removed all the links which are already available on the WordPress. Then we created 3 link categories. Got it? So now we are having 3 link categories and 3 post categories. Got it? Are you getting?
Yes, sir, we got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now we have created the category or the folders for putting post and folders for putting links. Now we are going to add some content. Okay. Here another option, you can see that pages. Got it? Pages. Pages are static content, as I told you that. If you want to create pages for your library, put static content on pages. First we will check how many pages are already there on your blog. Pages. Just click on all pages. You can see this one, about, blog, contact, home. Okay, see this one, 3 pages are already there. And
Yes,
if you want to change, for example, I suggest you to just keep this home page, that will be the front page. We can edit it and we can add our content there. Okay, you can keep the contact page also. Okay, then you can just remove this blog page and about page. If you want to keep that also, you can keep, for example, blog page and about page. Okay, select these 2 pages, then move to bin. Okay, then click on apply. Now we are having only 2 pages, that is home page and contact page. Hope you are getting my point. So what we have done so far is we went to post section, then remove the unwanted post and created some categories. Then we went to link section, removed the unwanted links and created some categories, link categories. Now we are reaching the pages section, where we have removed 2 pages and we kept 2 pages. Okay. So here you can see, now we are going to create content on a page. See this one, contact and home. Okay, under home you can see, because it's already default 2 pages are already there, so there is no need to create a different one for this home and contact pages. You can use as it is. Got it? So now we are going to just change the home page settings, home page content. Okay, first we will go and edit it. Okay, For example, this will be the home page of our library. Are you getting my point? This will be the home page for your library. Here, edit option is available. Home, under that edit. Click on that edit. Okay, are you getting this? Welcome to your website. Then
Yes, sir.
here you can say that next. You just click on next. Okay, get started. So welcome to your new site. Okay, latest from the blog, etc., etc. So these are already available things there. Okay, there is no need to do this one. So you can edit it. Okay. If you want to change it, then you can. Otherwise, you can edit it. Your option, add block option is available. For example, this, as you know that earlier the WordPress was using another classic editor, but nowadays the WordPress has changed that classic editor into dynamic one, which uses blocks. Blocks are actually the set of materials which you can add as blocks. Now what we are going to do is that we are just removing the blocks already available there. See this one, when you click on this, okay, you can, if you want to add a button, a lot of things are available there. Okay, so here on the top right you can see switch to draft, preview and update. Okay, just click on update. Okay, it will update the page. Otherwise you can click on say draft. Okay, so this is the preview. Actually,
Please repeat what we have to do when we reach here. Welcome to your new site. After that,
no, actually
what
this
we have
is
to do?
actually this is a default page which is set by this WordPress itself. If you want to use this page as it is your home page, you can use it. For example, here only. Okay, here you can see that here you can change the content as it is. Okay, because it will be a little it will make a little bit confusion for you. Otherwise I will take to another classic mode. Okay, just bear with me. Okay, I'm just taking you back. I'm not using this option. Wait. Okay, from here what we have done, we went to admin. Okay, here pages, just like last time we did pages. From this you can see all pages. We have removed the unwanted pages from there. Then under that you can see add new. Okay, click on add new. We are going to create a new page for our library. Okay, see this one. Okay, here some layout settings are there: blank, about pages, blog pages, etc. Contact pages, menu pages, portfolio pages. Actually these are basically useful for when you are creating a website. Okay, the same things are available for the blog also. If you are interested, you can explore all these layout options and select anyone and use it. Now for the time being, I'm just using the blank one. Okay, on the top left you can see the blank. Click on that blank. Okay, use the blank layout. Okay, when you are using this blank layout, you will get this one. Are you getting my point? Have you reached this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we are going to create the page for our library. Got it? For the first page of our library. Yeah. So you can go back to your that content creation file, and from there you can add content here. For example, add title. For example, if you want to add a title for your library, forward about the library. Okay, that will be the title. Okay, here you can see on the right side you can see add block option. So you're getting one plus sign is there, add block. Okay. So I told you that WordPress is nowadays they are using this dynamic ad block editing tool. I will tell you what are the things available there. Okay, it help you to add content on any post or blog. Here, for example, when you click on ad block, you will get a lot of blogs available. Okay, here, for example, browse all. When you click on browse all, on the left side you can see blogs patterns. Okay, blogs and patterns. When you click on blogs, you can find out lot of options available. Here, for example, if you want to create a list of things, you can select this option. If you want to put a quote, you can select this option. If you want to write something, you can use this paragraph option. Okay, when you go down, if you want to add a media, an image, okay, you can use this image option. And if you want to add some audio, you can use this option. If you want to add a PDF, you can use this option. I will tell you how it can be added. Then you can add a widget from these options available. You can embed other websites. For example, from YouTube also you can embed. Then you can embed from Spotify, Flickr, Vimeo, etc. etc. SlideShare is also there. Okay, so a lot of options are available. You can create a contact form, you can add a tweet, you can create a feedback form from here. Okay, so basically now, because we don't have enough time to slow down, so I am just taking some important the blocks only. For example, here first block I am just taking is this paragraph. Okay, here when you click on this paragraph option, here you can write as it is. Okay, for example, welcome. Okay, now I am going to copy some content which is already with my that plan. Okay, I'm just taking some content from here. So I'm just copying the content which is already created. Okay, so I'm just copying this matter only.
Hello, Faisal.
Yes.
Got lost at the beginning of the home page. Welcome to your new site. Sorry.
Now from there you just come back, go to the dashboard again.
Okay.
WP dashboard is there. Okay, when you click on my site, you can find out at the bottom left you can find a WP dashboard. Okay, when you click on that WP dashboard, from there you can go to pages. Okay,
My site.
click on my site.
Yeah.
My site. When are you getting this page, my site?
Yeah.
Okay, from there go down. WP dashboard is there.
WP admin is there, Madhu ma'am. You have to
WP
go
admin.
there.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, click on that. Then go to on the left side. You will get pages.
Okay.
Then all pages, and under that add new. Add new.
Add new.
Yeah. So this is that.
Sir, my query is about this copy pasting. Direct we can copy it from the desktop where the content is.
Yes. You can.
And direct paste. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. So here I would like to tell you how to add image and other things, etc. Just simply. Okay, for example, if you want to add an image of your library here, how it can be. For example, just for that you have to just click on add block. Okay, when you click on add block, you will get a lot of blocks available, and here you can search with image. Then you are just getting the image block from here. Click on that image block. Okay, Are you getting it? Image.
Yes, sir, got
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Here you can see upload, select image, insert from URL. 3 options are available. You can directly insert using the copy image link using this option. And if your system is having this image of your library, you can upload it. For example, I am just doing that. Upload. When you click on upload, okay, I am just copying this one. Okay, you can reduce it or increase the size of your image using this option available. Are you getting?
Done, sir. Done.
Okay, fine. So, and the next one is if you want to add some content, just like a PDF document. Okay, how it can be added. This is for the image itself. Okay. Another thing you want to add a PDF document here. For example, if you want to add a PDF document here on this page, how it can be. Just click there on the right side. You will get the plus add block option. Okay, from that you just click on file. Two ways are there to find out this. You can browse all. From that file option you can find out. Otherwise, just simply write file, then you will get the file option. Then click on that. Here upload a file or pick one from your media library. Okay, so if you want to upload a file from here, you just click on upload, then go to your folder. I am just uploading this PDF. Okay, select that file, open it. Okay, select the file and open it. Okay, so now I have just added a worksheet for primary. Okay, got it. This file is uploaded, and if you want to change the name of that particular file, you can change it here. Worksheet for class, for example, class 1 to 10. Okay, download option will automatically appear along with this file uploaded. Okay, got it. So two things we have added, and if you want to add means a YouTube video here inside this page, how it can be. For example, here I am going to add a YouTube video. Just click on the right side on the add block, then you can select browse all. Okay, on the browse all option you have to find out the YouTube insert option here. Got it? Are you getting YouTube? Click on YouTube, then just enter the URL of your YouTube video. For example, I am just copying this from that file. Okay, I have just just enter the YouTube URL there, then embed. Okay, the YouTube video will be there. So you can, if you want, you can just increase the size or reduce the size, etc., etc. That also you can do. Okay, so this is the YouTube video that we have just added. This is an image, or we have added one YouTube video. Then we have added one PDF file. And if you want to make a particular word, a link, that the same way you can do. For example, if you want to create a link from here, just click on that particular word, then here the link option is available. Just enter the link and just click on here, submit. Okay, that link will appear. Just like that, you can do all the formatting options which are available here. Okay. So we have just created a page for our library. If you want to see how it will appear, you just click on preview. Okay. Okay, and 3 options are available: how it will appear on desktop, how it will appear on tablet, and how it will appear on mobile. 3 options are there. If you want to see how it will appear on a desktop, you have to just select the desktop option, then preview in a new tab. Then you can see how it will appear. Okay, it will appear just like this. Okay, so after getting the template, we will find out how it will appear on our library blog. Got it. So we have just created a page for our library, and we are now just going to publish it. Can you see this one? Top right, publish. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So just to click on publish. So here 2 options are available. Visibility. Visibility means if you want to make it private, you can do here. You can make this particular page a password protected option. For example, if you want to just show this particular page for a particular group of students, you can make a password protected page. Okay, then now we are going to just make it public, and after that, if you want to publish it immediately, then you can use this option. Today itself, now itself it will be published. If you want to make it to be published after some days, for example on 30th, if you want to publish it on only on 30th, you can select this option. Now I am just taking this publish immediately option. Okay, so after that, then click on publish. So the page is now published. Okay, but how it will appear, you can see that it will appear just like this. You can see this the title of the library, New Light School Library, is there, but the page, the title page means the page home page is about the library. The home, we have selected this home and contact, only 2 pages we have selected, these are there. But I know that it is not just like an attractive format. Okay, but anyway, we are going to the next point. We are going to create the template. Okay, we are going to select the template for our library, then the things will appear in a very beautiful way. Got it? So what we have done so far is that we have created some categories for post, some categories for links, and 1 page. Are you following me?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next we are going to select the template. Okay, now we are going to select the template. How we can select the template? You have to just click on my site again. Okay, my site, click on my site. On the top left you can see my site. Then you go down, here you can see design. Are you getting this? Design. Click on design. Design. Under design you can see customize themes. Got it? Under design you will get customize and themes. Are you getting?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yes, sir.
Then click on themes. Okay, click on themes. Here you can see a lot of themes which are available. A lot of themes are free themes. There are a lot of paid themes also. Okay, but we are not going to purchase anything here. We are just taking this free themes only. To identify the free themes, one option is there. You just go down. Here you can see show all themes. Show all themes. Click on that. Show all themes. Then you can search out the themes. Here, the first one is according to feature, it is classified. According to layout, it is classified, and according to column, subject, and style. For the time being, we are only selecting the free themes. You can see on the top right, you can see all, free, premium. Are you getting it? All, free, and premium. Just click on free. Just click on free themes. Okay. From the free themes, these are all free themes. There is no need to pay anything for these themes. Okay. I am just going to select a particular theme. For that, I am just searching it out. Column. Okay. Column. Here you can see left sidebar, right sidebar, 1 column, 3 columns, etc. Okay. This one you have to decide. Okay. How your blog will appear to your students and teachers. whether you required a 3-column blog, whether you required a 2-column one, whether the sidebar should be on left, whether it should be on right, etc., etc. That you have to decide. Now I am just taking this one, this option, left sidebar. Okay, just click on this left sidebar. For an experiment, for this workshop, I am just taking this particular theme. You can select your own theme. Okay, no constraints. I am just taking this one, 2011. Are you getting this? 2011. What we have done? Okay, we have selected the themes. We just went to themes. I am just going it again. You just click on themes. Okay, click on themes. Then go down. Then you can find out free themes by clicking free options. You can find out all free themes together. Then click on columns. From columns, you just take left sidebar, and from there you are getting this theme. This is all for the workshop purpose only. I am just taking this theme. So you can select any theme. Okay, according to your requirements, you can select any theme. I have just taken this one, 2011. Just click on that theme. 2 options are available. So you can see the demo version of this particular theme with your website. Okay, open live demo version. And another one is activate this design free. Okay, because there is no time to understand this open live demo. Demo is nothing, just click on, then you will get an idea how the things will appear on your. For example, just click on open live demo. Then you can see how things will appear when you are creating, when you are adding this theme. Okay, so just like this you will get. I'm just going to customize it. Means for example, for this, after selecting this theme, just click on activate this design free. Activate. So here is a message, thanks for choosing 2011. Okay, then there is a tab customize site. Click on customize site. Click on customize site. So now the customizer is loading.
Once more, please, from design onwards.
Okay, it is nothing. We have selected a theme 2011. From that we have just clicked on activate this theme. When you click on activate this theme, you are getting a tab that is customize this theme. When you click on this customize this theme option, you are getting this page.
From the theme tag we move on. Huh?
Yes, from the theme tab only you have to move.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, see this one. So I have just activated this theme for the library. Are you getting? This is a template that we are going to use for this particular blog. Hello? Are you listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we are there.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see this
Following
one.
you.
Yeah, now we are going to customize it. Okay. How you can customize your theme, that we are going to learn. On the left side, you can see site identity. Just click on that. You can see the site title, New Light School Library, then tagline. Here you can see on the top right, New Light School Library, that is the site title. Then tagline, that is a subtitle. Here one option is there, display site title and tagline. For example, if you are using a different header with your school's name or library name on the header, then there is no need to keep this title here. Okay, I will show you how it will work. Okay, then at that time you can remove this one. For example, see this one here, it is already one logo site icon we have already added. Okay, earlier we added the beginning itself, we added the site icon, so it is already there. Okay, So when you go back, you can see this second option, that is layout. See this one. When you click on home, you can see content on left, content on right, one column, no sidebar. Okay, whether if you want to put the sidebar on the left or the content on the left, whether you want to put the sidebar on the right or content on the left, that you can select from here. That is a layout. I have just selected content on the left. That is the default one. Okay. Then fonts. If you want to change the font of your blog, you can do it here. For example, default theme font. Theme font is nothing, the text font. Okay. Base font is the text font. The theme font is the title font. For example, if you want to change it from here, you can change it. For example, I'm just clicking it. See this one, how it will change. Okay, you can change here itself. Are you getting? You can change the headings. Okay, headings of the content you can change. See this one. So I have taken this heading font size. Here it is. Here another option is regular, normal size. Okay, two options are there. Then base font also you can change. For example, if you want to change this one, base font is nothing, this one, this textual font. Okay, that is a base font. Base font means the font of the textual content of the blog. That is the base font. If you want to change that base font, here you can do. And if you want to change the font of the headings, this is the option to change that. Okay, then after that you have to save it. Then you go back again. Now we are going to change the header image. See this one, header image. Got it? Header image. Click on there. As you know that WordPress is already having a lot of headers here. If you want to change into different header from inside WordPress, you can select this one. For example, we are selecting this. The site will appear just like this. If you can select this one. Okay, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, any font you can select. The same time, if you want to change that header with your own image, how it can be? For that, you have to add a new image. Okay, this option is available here, and before that, you just find out what is the size of that header. That is, here it is given us. Here you can see 1000 into 288 pixels. Okay, if you are familiar with the Google Slides or MS Publisher or any other PageMaker, etc., so you can create a header having this size, that is 1000. That is width. Okay, width of the image is 1000. Then height of 288 pixels. That is 1000 into 288 pixels. So I have created a header using the same size measurements. I am just adding that header here. For that, you have to just add new image. Then you have to upload that image. I am just going to the folder, select files. See this one, I have just added header with name. Okay. Here you can see 1000 by 288 pixels. That is the size of that particular image. Okay. Then select and crop. Click on select and crop. Because I have just correct measurement is there, so there is no need of any cropping. Then crop image. See this one. The header of your library will be just like this. Okay, in such a case, there is no need to keep this title here. Got it? There is no need to keep this title here. You can remove it. How it can be removed? First, you have to save these changes. Okay. Then go back. Site identity. Then unclick. That is uncheck this one. Display site title and tagline. Are you getting my point? Now we have changed the header. Okay, if you are clicking checking out this, the title will default title will be there, but because this header itself consists the title and this tagline, etc., the details of your library, then there is no need of this part. So I am just removing this one. Okay, got it. So after that, you just save it. Now it is saved. Okay, now you can see other things available here. So after header image, you can see menus, widgets, homepage settings, AMP, additional CSS, etc. Now I am taking you to homepage settings. Okay, just to click on homepage settings. When you click on homepage settings, you will get from this sidebar, homepage settings. Click on homepage settings. Here you can see that your homepage displays will be your latest post or a static page. For example, if you want to create a blog, just like a website for your library, you need to keep a homepage. Okay, you need to create a homepage and it will be your page whenever somebody visits your site. It will always be a static page. Got it. For example, we have just created a page for our library and we want to make that particular page our home page. How it can be? So here the option is available. Your home page displays a static page. Okay, here this your latest post, and another one is static page. From here you have to just select. See this one. We have created a page about the library. You could remember. Okay, we have created a page about the library. So that page is already there. So we are going to make that particular page as the home page of our library. For that, what you have to do, click on, select the option is static page, then go to home page, then select about the library. Okay, about the library. Then that page will be your home page. It will appear soon. Okay. So you can see the live demo of how it will appear. See this one. This will be the home page of your library. After that, you save it. Are you getting it?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So after that, for example, if you want to change the background, colors, etc., you can select the second option, colors and background. Here you can see when you click on colors and background, okay, when you click on colors and background, so a lot of color options are available. For example, if you are selecting this one, okay, that will be your background. See this one, how it will appear. Okay, you can change this one. Okay, then if you can pick a background pattern also, you can, this background patterns are also available. For example, if you are selecting this pattern, so then it will be just like this. See this one, selecting this pattern, some other patterns are available. So it depends on the template itself. Okay, there are some templates which are not allowing these color combinations. There are some templates which will give a lot of color options. Okay, so as per your selection, you will get all these things. It depends on the template that you have been selecting. Okay, for example, I am just selecting this one. Then after that, save changes. Then you go back. Since you can see this, there is an option menu. Menus means nothing here. These are the menu components, home and contact. Okay, we have created two pages. Two pages are there only. So home page and contact page. So this will be the menu. If you have different different pages, if you have multiple pages, then you can add all these pages here on the top bar. Okay, I will show you how it will be. Yes, now it is 6:12. Are you there with me?
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir. You can continue.
Yes, sir.
Shall I continue?
Yes,
Very much
sir,
interesting.
You can continue.
Very much interesting.
Okay. So,
Sir, this is a very interesting session. I don't want to leave, but it's very hectic now.
yeah. Okay. So we have just created the page and we have given a design, etc. Now we will just arrange the categories and links. Okay, we will add some post, then we will add some links, then how we will check how it will appear on our website. Got it? To add some categories or the post, for example, we want to add some new arrival list, okay, or other some book reviews. For example, we want to create a book review, how it will appear, that we will check. For that, to add a new post, you have to just come back to my site. Okay, just click on my site, then you will come back to the same page. Okay, on the top right you can see write, one option is there, create a new post. Are you getting it? Create a new post. The same option is also available here. Okay, on the left when you want to create a new post. Okay, site, pages, post, media, comments, feedback, etc. Got it? So now we are going to create a new post. For that, you just click on, are you getting? Just click on write. Yeah,
right.
click on write. Just like we have created a page using all these blocks, you can create a post, okay, using these blocks. Now we are going to create a post and we are just adding that particular post into a category. Okay. So for example, a book review. I'm just going to add a book review here. I'm just copying some material that I have already created. Okay. Okay, I'm just copying some material for a post. Okay. Because so
Sir, your screen is not visible, sir.
now 1 minute. I am just coming back. Okay. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are going to create a post. Okay, I have just copied some materials that we have already, means I have already added on my blog. Okay, I'm just copying and pasting it here. This is a book review. Just like that, you can create your content and add and create a new post. Okay, see this one. This is a Dan Brown book. Okay, book written by Dan Brown. I am just adding an image of this book cover also by using this image option available. See this one, image, then upload. Okay, see this one, angels and demons.
Sir, uploading book covers is perfectly all right. No copyright infringement.
No, because it's already in the public domain. Covers are there. You are not copying the content, only
Okay.
covers you are. There
Got
is
your
no
point.
issue. Yeah, no issue. Okay, for example, this image, this cover image I have added here. Okay, and I am just adding angels and demons. Okay, this is a review by a student on this book, Angels and Demons. Okay, so I have just added an image of this particular book and the review is there. Okay, when you go down, you can find out if you want to add some cover images or videos or whatever things that you can add. Okay, depends on you how you are preparing your content. Got it. So after that, you can see on the right side when this settings option is available. You're getting settings. You're getting this settings.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. On the settings, you can find out two options: post and block. Okay, post and block. Post means these are the settings that you have to do for the post content. Okay, and block is for other things. It's block settings. Here you have to just click on post. The options available here, you can see the status and visibility. Visibility is public, publish immediately. Okay, then stick to the top of the block. That depends on you how you are just fixing it. Then the main thing we have to fix is that categories. Are you getting categories on the right side? Categories. Just click on that. Then you can find out the categories that we have already created here. Are you getting?
Got my query automatically. Thank you.
Yeah. then here you can see book reviews. That is the category. Okay, where we are going to add this content. Got it? Book reviews. Then after that, if you want to add a separate tag for this particular post, you can also add. For example, it's a title, the book name is already there in the title, and who wrote this review, it's already there in the title. And if you want to put this Dan Brown, okay. So that can be a get tag. Okay, this as much tags you can add here because these tags will help people to find out the content. Okay, these are the tag. After that, after adding each tag, you have to just add a comma. Then featured images, it depends on the template. If the template is supporting this featured image option, then you can use this option. Okay, see this one. So what we have done, we have created a post, added an image here. Then we have assigned this post into this category, book reviews. Got it? So after that, we are just going to publish it. Then click on publish. Okay, visibility is public. Click on publish. So how it will appear? Then you just click and view how it will appear on your website or blog. See this one. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here you can see posted on the date 26/12/2020. The title of the post, the image is there. Here you can see in which category it is there. Here the entry was posted in book reviews. That is the category. Okay, and tagged Dan Brown by whom? This is the username. Then perma link is also there. Permanent link. Okay, if somebody wants to take the link from here, they can take it, and the users can leave a reply here. So these options are available here when you are posting when you are creating a new post. Got
Can
it?
we create that tags?
Yes. So
tags. How can we create that tags?
which one? Tags.
Tag section which you were showing now.
Yeah.
How we create tags?
Tags are already there. You have to just enter the tag keywords only.
By default it will come.
Default it will not come. You have to add the tags because default it will take the content as a tag. Okay, it will it will crawl the content. It will crawl the title and other things, etc. So whatever things you are putting as headings, it will take as the search keywords. There is no need to add the same title as the tags again. Got it? So if you want a separate tag, then you can add it. Otherwise, just keep it
The option
blank.
is there. That's
yeah. Okay, now we have created a post and we have added that post into our where it is a book review category. Now we are going to check whether how it will appear on the home page. Okay, how it will appear on the home page. Can you see anything? Nothing is there. Okay, nothing is there on your home page because we have to rearrange this home page. Got it? We have to rearrange this home page. We have to rearrange the menu bars. Then only it will appear. Okay, just for that, what we have to do? See, this is your library blog. We have just created the blog and the home page only we can see. Okay, we can see only the home page. So where is the post? Nothing is there. Can you see the post?
No.
No.
There is no post. Okay, how we can take the post from inside to the outside? That we are going to do now. Got it?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay, for that you just go to home page again. That is my site page. That is my home, my site. Okay. Come back to this page. On the left side, you can see customize. Okay, design, customize. Click on customize. On here, you can see a lot of things, and we are just taking the widgets. Okay, see this one, widgets. Click on widgets. Okay, actually these widgets are coming on the sidebars. Okay, sidebars on the footer. So I told you that each and every WordPress blog is having a set standard format. There should be a header, and under that a main content area. Then there will be a sidebar. Okay, there may or may not be a sidebar. There can be a footer. So here you can see what are the things we can add on the footer, on the sidebar, etc., etc. That we will see here. Okay. See this one, footer area 1 is there, footer area 2 is there, then footer area 3 is also there. Okay. Here one message, you can see that your theme has 2 other widgets areas, but this particular page doesn't display them. You can navigate to other pages on your site while using the customizer to view and edit the widgets displayed on these pages. So I am just taking the contact pages. Then I am again go to this widget area and just refreshing the page. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Because I need that sidebar, so I am just changing some time for this. Okay, just 1 minute. The image homepage settings, I am just changing the settings to the latest post. Okay. Okay, see this one. On the right side, you can see there is one archives, then meta. Meta means nothing. That's a site admin details and logo details here. Okay. Now we are going to add something on the right sidebar here. Are you getting my point? Here, this is the basic structure of a WordPress blog. You can see the header here, the menu bar here, then the content area, then the right side, this sidebar. When you go down, you can see the footer here. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
So now we are going to change. Now we are going to change the content on this sidebar. For that, we have to add the widgets. Okay. Here, see this main sidebar. This is the main sidebar area. Okay. On the right side, you can see the main sidebar area. What we are going to change here, main sidebar. Click on that area, then add a widget. Click on add a widget. A number of widgets are available here. For example, if you want to add a text widget, I'm just taking some important widgets here. Okay. Calendar, categories, okay, gallery, links, pages, post, RSS, etc., text. See this one, text widget. Okay. For example, I am just adding a welcome message here. Title.
Sir?
Yes.
Previously, this main sidebar was not there on your left side. Now it has come because previously only footers were there. Footer 1, 2, 3 something.
Yeah. So you have to go
So
to
how
the
come this has come?
yeah that because now for arranging this you have to go to the post page only. Okay. I will show you just. So here on the right side, see here I am just adding a text widget here. How it will appear? For example, the title will be welcome to this new light. Welcome to the official blog of New Light School Library. Got it. I am just adding this. Welcome to the official blog of New Light School Library. That is a text part only. Okay. If you want to add, if you want to change that into bold one also, you can do it. Okay. You will, based on this template details, you can change it. Then if you want to make it a link, here you can insert a link also. And after that, just click on done. Okay. So just regarding that particular question, here you can see a message here. It depends on the page. Okay, depends on the page only the sidebar will appear. For this particular site, you have to go back to this section. For example, homepage settings. Are you getting my point? Who was asking this question?
Yes, sir, I'm listening.
Yeah, see this one, homepage settings. Here on homepage settings. Okay, got it? Homepage settings. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, on
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
homepage settings, you go change that into your latest post. Okay, latest post, not the static page. We will change later. Okay.
Okay.
Change to your latest post, then save it. Then you will get the sidebar. Okay.
Okay, sir.
On the widget area, you will get the main sidebar. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
Then now we are going to add some other widgets. For example, an image widget. How it can be? Add widget. From the here, you just find out the image. Okay. See this one, image widget. Then, for example, I'm just adding new books. Okay, new books. Then click on add image. Then you can see from this option you can upload new files. Okay, if it is already there, otherwise you can just upload from your system. And just uploading this image, this cover image.
Sir, widgets is particularly related to footer only, I guess. Footer?
No, not footer. It can be on sidebar and footers.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, I have just uploaded this image, and after that I just add to widget. Okay, it will appear just like this. Got it? Are you getting? On the right side, this will appear. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, on the right side, you are getting this image. And if you want to add a caption, that also you can do by editing this image. And if you want to give a link to this particular image to a particular page or of your own blog or any other external website, that also you can do using this option. Now after that, just click on done. Got it? So if you want to add some other, for example, a category, you were thinking about category, okay, how the post will appear on your page. Here you can see we have to add the category. Okay, see this category widget is there. See this one, categories. Okay, categories. You can see, for example, you have to just categories. Here, display as drop down, show post counts, show hierarchy, etc. Okay, here you can see categories, display as drop down. Okay. For example, we have added only one category, book reviews. Are you getting my point? Are you getting this one? See this one?
Okay, sir.
Okay, that category will appear here, categories. Got it? Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
after changing the settings, the main site thing is not coming.
Which one?
Main site.
That I told you to change that settings. Okay, for that
I have changed the settings, sir, but it's not there.
you just refresh the page, refresh it. Refresh, it will come. Okay. See this one on the right side, you can add. We have added one text widget, one image widget, then one category. And here also you can add the link widgets. If you have already created some links, that will appear here. Okay. So this is about widgets. Then on the main sidebar, you can add a lot of other widgets. For example, if you want to add blog statistics, okay, so it will appear as here. Okay, on this, see this one, blog stats, 0 hits. So another one, follow blog. Okay, follow this blog via email. Anybody can follow your blog using by just submitting their email ID. That is follow blog option. Then some other widgets are also there. Link widget is there. That I will show you how it will. Then page post, I like recent comments, recent post widgets. See this one, recent post. This is Angels and Demons book review by Anakha Anil. That is the recent post widget. How many posts you want to show here? That is the option available here. After that, you just click on done. So one wonderful thing is that you can rearrange it. Okay, for example, if you want to change this recent post or take upwards, you can change from here by just dragging it out. Okay, it will come on the top. Okay, for example, if you want to change into this one, categories, new books, it will change just like this. Okay, follow blogs, you can change it. Okay, are you getting? So on the right side, a lot of widgets are
Yes, sir,
available
yes, sir.
that you can add as per your need. You can add. When you go back, for example, go back to your footer. For example, if you want to add some contact details on your footer, how it can be? Footer area 1, that is here. Footer area 2 is 2, here 3. Okay, we will check footer area. Here also you can add widgets. For example, if you want to add a contact details. Okay, this one, a lot of things are available, but due to this time limit, I am just binding it up. Yeah. Follow display image option is there, links are there. Okay, pages, post I like, recent post, RSS, social icons. Okay, here for example, for the time being, I'm just adding a video. If you want to add a YouTube video here on the footer, how it can be? Here you have to just click on this title. Okay, for example, video of the week. Okay, just click here, add video, insert from URL, then give the URL details here, just copying it from here. Okay, see this one, add to widget. So that that video will appear at the bottom of your site. Okay, are you getting? So this is the first footer area. The second footer area will come here. Third footer area under that. Okay, you can reorder, you can replace, you can edit. A lot of options are available here, and you can set the visibility also. Okay, then done. So now you can see the title and home page, etc. On the right side, you can see the widgets available. Okay, the other two footer areas are also there where you can add some other content if you require. Then one important thing I just forgot, that is to add a link that will be useful for you, because okay, here to add a link you have to go back to WP admin, since it is not given on this particular customizable dashboard. Okay, here to add a link, for example, if you want to add 10 links, 10 websites as a category, or quick references, for example, to create that category, you have to go back to WP admin again. Okay, from there you will get the link option. Are you following me? Link option.
Yes, sir.
Okay, on the link option, you can see all links, add new link categories. Just click on add new. Okay, when you click on add new, here you can give the title of this link, name of the link, that is CBSE, for example, CBSE. Okay, I am just adding the website details. Okay, CBSE, whenever you are adding a link, just don't forget to add HTTP. Okay, because then only it will work. HTTP cbse.nic.in. Okay, see this one here also, categories. Are you getting my point? Categories. See this one.
Yes, sir.
Categories. So I am just adding
Yes,
that
sir, got it.
that into quick links. Got it? Quick links. Okay, and here you can see target, blank, new window or tab. If somebody click on this link, whether you want them to open a particular different tab, okay, then you can fix it here, blank, new window or tab. Okay, then after that some other advanced features are there. There is no need. Okay, then after that, okay, we have created the name. We have just given the name of the link. Then web address is given. Then categories. Okay, then after that add link. Okay, then another one, for example, I am just adding Britannica online. Then web address. So that is a web address. Then reference. Are you getting? We have created categories, yes. 3 categories we have created: learning resources, quick links, and reference. I have added the first link to quick links, second one to reference. Okay, then click on add link. Got it? So we have created links and link categories. Now we are going back here. Okay, from here we are going to customize again. Okay, on the right side you can see a lot of widgets are already available. So we want to add the link widget here. Okay, how it can be? You go to widget section again, then from there go to main sidebar, that is this area, sidebar, then click there, then add a widget, then go down. There is an option that is links. Are you getting it? Links. Have you got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, links. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, when you click on link, you can see select link category. Got it? Select link category. For example, if you want to show only a set of links which you have added in a particular category, you can set it here. For example, all links, quick links. I'm just adding quick links. Show link image, show link name, show link description, etc. etc. Okay, see this one. Can you see this? Quick links. Under quick links, CBSE, reference, Britannica Online, quick links. Okay. See this one, link image, link name. Okay, when you are removing this quick links, okay. See, this is just 1 minute. Adding it again. Links. Okay. All links, it's given as all links, quick links only. Then after that, you just done, then save links. Okay. So on the right side, you can see quick links because it's some ones. See this one. Only the quick link option is quick link category is available there. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are
Yes,
adding,
sir.
whenever you are adding a new link to this particular category, quick links, it will appear here. Got it? So just like that, you can add another category. For example, you want to add another link because this is very much useful for school librarians. So I'm just taking this one links again. Then you create another one reference. Okay. Then done. Save changes. Then you can refresh it. See, have you got this?
Yes, sir. We got this.
So here you have added two categories of links. That is quick links. There is only one link we have created, that is CBSE is there, and another category is reference. So Britannica Online. So just like that, you can create a number of categories and number of links. So first you have to create a category. So you must have a plan. Okay, what will be the categories? What are the categories you want to create? Then into that categories you create, you develop, you find out the correct links or the authentic links, and it can be added to this category. And by arranging these widgets, you can take that links to your home page. Got it? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then, so one more thing I will show you, because now it is 6:46. Darshana?
Yeah, yes, people are asking for feedback link also.
Yeah.
We need to wrap up.
Yes, yes. So see this one. The last thing I would like to tell you regarding one more thing, my site. If somebody wants to add a comment, okay, somebody has commented on your post, you can see, you can find out that comments from this section. Okay, just click on site, then comment option is there. When you click on comment, you can find out the comments. There is no comment so far received on this blog. So here you can see all comments, pending, approved, spam, bin, etc. So the comments will appear here. If you like to approve it, then you can click on that approve option. Then it will appear on your blog. Otherwise, it will just remain there. Okay, it will not be approved. It will be on pending. So these are the things available. Yes. Okay. Now it is 6:47.
Thank you so much.
So we have taken a lot of
so
time.
Thank you so much for wonderful session. Now it's time for vote of thanks. I invite Ms. Sunita Geda for vote of thanks.
Thank you, Mamta ma'am, and thank you, Faisal sir. This is really very wonderful session. A very good evening to one and all present here. On behalf of SLA India, I am here to deliver the vote of thanks. I extend my sincere gratitude to our resource person, Mr. S.L. Faisal, for enlightening us with such an informative technical tool, WordPress. I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart, President Mrs. Bhargava, General Secretary Mr. S.L. Faisal, for providing such wonderful platform, and the event team, people working behind the scene for organizing such an informative webinar. Last but not least, I would like to say big thank you to all the wonderful participants. Thank you.